Hi, my name is Mary Malone of Coldwell Realty in the Luxe service group. I'm waiting here for my buyer to take a look at cute downtown Clinton. And while I'm sitting here waiting, I wanted to tell you a few things I would do if I was looking in Hunterdon County for a home right now. Number one is determine where you'd like to live. This buyer actually wants to be downtown and be able to walk to coffee, to restaurants, to shops. If you're that type of buyer that would like to be downtown or in a borough, check out Frenchtown, check out Milford, check out Clinton. Highbridge is adorable. There are so many great towns in Hunterdon County where you can walk to amenities. Number two, find that reputable real estate agent. At the Luxe service group, we pride ourselves at being full-time, full-service real estate agents. What does that mean? That means we are here to service your needs, and when you are searching for a home, we want to make sure we are always communicating effectively and efficiently. So if I'm not available, there's always a team member that will be able to help you out. Real estate agents, take a look at their Google reviews, take a look at how many homes they have sold, and interview agents. I'd love it if you call me if you're looking here in Hunterdon County. Number three, work with a reputable lender. A lender is who gets you to that closing table and gets you that mortgage commitment so you can actually purchase the home. Take a look at lenders' reviews as well, and make sure that you work well with your real estate agent and the lender, because we need to stay in contact throughout the entire transaction to make sure that you get to that closing table. What I would recommend is don't use an attorney that's from out of the area that does not understand Hunterdon County real estate. Some attorneys that are closer to the city don't even know what a septic and a well are. So you want to make sure you're using a reputable attorney in the area that's not litigating, so that you can discuss your real estate transaction with them during the workday. All right, and let's talk about title. Did you know as a buyer, you can ask for a title agency to represent you? Yes, some attorneys recommend title agencies and some attorneys have a relationship with title agencies, but you are able to use your own title agency of choice. Title agents are really important to real estate transactions because it is a title agent that is actually making sure that there are no liens and issues with title. So there's my buyer. I got to get running to show this house in downtown Clinton. If you have any questions about purchasing in Hunterdon County, give us a ring. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.